Why does your scanner show the P1552 engine code? What does it mean? P1552 is a diagnostic trouble code for battery current sensor circuit high input. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM or ECM has detected a voltage reading from the battery current sensor that is higher than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty idle speed control actuator, wiring harness issues, DME/DFI control unit problems, power supply or ground issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford vehicles like the F250 and F350. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.